This session we'll see a few more commands of VI editor, and we'll today see what are the different commands which are used in execution mode, insert mode, and command mode. In the previous session we have seen that whenever we type this command vi space file name, this command is executed in the shell environment. As and when we type this command, now we'll enter into this VI environment. Now here it will have its own command to interpret, and we have seen that by default, whenever we type this command, by default we'll enter into the command mode. And from command mode, if I want to go into this insert mode or append mode, we use set of keys like I or uppercase I, or we can use A or uppercase A, O, so on. There are many. We'll see what is the. Yesterday we have seen what is the exact meaning of lower cases. Okay, today we'll see remaining as well. And if I want to come back to this command mode, then we'll use the key escape. And similarly, if from command mode, if I want to move to last line mode, it is also called as execution mode. Then we can use the key, like we can press shift plus semicolon, which is used to take you from command mode to line mode. Actually, we are using this colon to move from command mode to last line mode. Whenever we go here, we'll see that in the VI screen editor at bottom, last line, we'll have this colon, and all the commands which are which are given after this colon are the commands of execution mode. Okay. If you don't see this colon, then it means these are the commands for command mode. In insert mode, of course, we will do operations in this screen. So in fact, this if there are 25 lines in a screen, then 24 lines are dedicated for VI screen and 1 line is dedicated for last line mode. That's why the name last line mode. Again, whenever you come back to, if you want to come back from last line mode or execution mode to command mode, again we'll use escape. So the common is, irrespective of where you are, you can use escape for coming back to this command mode. You don't have any transitions like this. Okay. Insert mode directly to execution mode, and execution mode directly to the insert mode. You have to go via. Okay. So it means that if you are in execution mode, if I want to go to insert mode, then execution to insert mode can be done like this. Execution mode to insert mode. The keys will be escape plus any one of these, I or A. If I want to move from insert mode to execution mode or last line mode, then we'll use escape plus colon. This colon, how do you get? Shift plus semicolon on this keyboard. Okay. Also, we have seen I is used. Suppose I have this screen and these are the contents of a file, and my current cursor is here. When we use insert, insert will insert all the characters before this cursor position, and A, this is called append, it also takes you to this insert mode, but all the contents will be placed after this cursor. But now if I am interested in inserting the text from the beginning of a line, it means irrespective of my cursor is here, here or here, I want to insert in the beginning of the line, then we'll use capital I irrespective of the cursor position, if I want to insert any line at, or I want to append few characters at end of the line, then we'll use capital A. And in fact, if I want to create a line above the current line, then we can use O. So it means all these all these keys will take you to the insert mode, but different these are the minute differences between these different keys. Okay, it allows you to insert before the cursor position A, after the cursor position uppercase A, at the beginning of the line, sorry, at the end of the line, I at the beginning of the line, O, it creates a line above it. We'll just see this on our system and verify. Suppose we have vi file 1. Okay, so these are the things. Now my current cursor position, okay, let me take it down and left. Okay, now my current cursor position is at need. Suppose I want to see the total number of lines in my file, then we can, okay, we'll discuss that in execution mode. So what we'll do is, I want to go into the insert mode. Whenever I go to insert mode, now I'm using small I. So my current, my cursor is pointing to, my cursor is here, E, need, first E of need. Okay. Now I want to insert apple. I want to insert apple. So I'm using small case I. Just I'm printing small case I. It is in insert mode now. Now here it is not showing which mode it is, but actually there is one command which tell us that whether we are in insert mode or not. I'll tell you within few moments. So now it is in insert mode. Now I'm writing apple, A-P-P-L-E. So observe that the need E and the apple is inserted before E. Okay, so it has been inserted before E. Now I want to undo this operation. Means whatever the operation I did, I want to do Control Z in Windows, right? So for that, I have to go back to again command mode. Okay, after going back to command mode, I have to do U. Okay, so U is used for undoing the operation. Okay. So we have learned one more command. U is for undo or last undo, last action undo. Now I'll use small. I'm in insert mode now. No, sorry, I'm in command mode now. I'm going for uppercase I and followed by apple. Uppercase I followed by apple. Now see here, it has inserted apple the beginning of the line. Okay, the beginning of the line. Again, I want to undo this last action, and then go to command mode, okay, and U, which undoes the last operation. Similarly, I'll place the cursor at the same place. Now, what I'll do is I'll just use A. I'm in command mode, A followed by apple. Now you see apple has been appended after E. Again I'll undo this action. Now I'll go for capital A. So let's go to command mode by pressing escape and shift A, apple. We have seen that the content have been added to the file. Now you may ask that, you may argue why we need to learn all these commands. Can't we go using L or sequence, like I can use this navigation keys and go to the end of the line and all. Okay, these commands are actually help you to improve your speed for editing and documentation. Okay, that's what. So again I will go for undo operation. This is what. So we have seen that small case I, small case a, and uppercase a are used to go to insert mode from command mode to insert mode. There is one more command called O, right? So it creates a line above it. Okay. Now I'll go back to this insert mode and just I'm typing O. So it has created a new line where I can type apple. So again I am undoing the last operation. Okay. Hope all these 4 operations, the 4 commands to move from command mode to insert mode have been understood. Now we'll see few more commands of command mode. Like I'm interested in deleting a character, right? So suppose I'll go to this insert mode and or I'll just create a line, and here I'll write this is an extra line created by pressing O, that is OH, in command mode. Okay. I'll go back to command mode, go left, okay, L, okay. Now see here, extra, R is, this is an extra line, here EXT RA is the correct spelling, so I want to delete A now. If I want to delete A, I will take the focus to A, okay, I will take focus to A, and being in command mode, I will just press X. So X works like delete operation. So X generally works like delete on our keyboard. Generally don't use your delete keys or arrow keys which are there in your keyboard while you are using the editor, because the settings might be different. Okay, so this will always works on any system. So this works like delete, DLET, delete a character. Okay. So EXT R. Now I want to put A after R. So how can I do that? So I'll go to insert mode by pressing lowercase a, and I'll type A, extra. So this is an extra line created. Create is there is a mistake in created also, right? CREATED. Okay. Now we can correct this in the same way, okay, but I'll show you how to correct this. But let's see, if I'm interested in deleting, okay, let me take focus. Oh, I want to undo this operation. Okay, I'll take the focus here, okay, on this column. Now I'm interested in deleting the 4 characters, then I'll write 4x, so it deletes 4 characters. If you want to undo any operation, again go back to this. So again I'm showing, if I want to delete 4 characters from the point of focus, the focus is on open parenthesis. So I will go to this command mode, and 4x means it deletes 4 characters. Okay. So x is used for deleting a character. Now assume that I am interested in deleting a line now. Okay. How can I delete a line? An entire line I want to delete. How can I delete this? So let take our focus here. Okay, here. This is an extra line created by pressing O in command mode. Operating system is a system software. Shell script sits on top of operating system. Okay, I would like to delete this line now. I don't like this line. Kit Monday, right? So in order to delete this, we have a command. First go to this command mode and use D 2 times, DD. Okay, it deletes a line. I undo this. Okay, again go to this command mode, escape. Okay, put DD. Okay, it deletes an entire line. So DD is used for deleting an entire line. Now I am interested in deleting multiple lines. Okay. I am interested in deleting 3 lines from the point of focus, right? Then escape 3 dd. So it deletes all the 3 lines. You can do undo operation. Again I am deleting 4 lines, 4 dd. So we have deleted 4. Now whatever the changes I did, I want to save those changes, right? Generally in Windows will say save and exit. Okay. Now the save and exit equivalent in VI editor is ZZ. ZZ is actually used for save and exit, or you can write it means write and quit. Actually in terminology of VI editor we'll say it write and quit. In Windows generally we have an option in menu save and exit. Okay, the same operation which is done by save and exit is actually done by ZZ. These are in lower case. So again, all those commands what I am showing you, they are only executed in command mode. Okay, we are only dealing with command mode commands. Okay, we have seen only a few insert mode commands. So let's go back to command mode and now remember this save and exit, actually this is not a command mode, it is actually an execution mode. It means every command which is written which is followed by which is which is preceded by a colon, they are commands of execution mode. Okay. So ZZ is not a command mode command, it is a execution mode command. Okay. That's why I am putting ZZ. So now if I want to move from command mode to execution mode, skip shift colon. I've got this. So ZZ when we'll type, not an editor command. Okay, now it is giving it's not an editor command. So I think it's a command. Okay, so I'll go back. Okay, so go back to command mode and type ZZ. Escape ZZ. Yeah. So VI file 1. So the command is escape capital ZZ. So please remember that it is not small z, it's a capital Z. Z. Okay, save and exit. So again I will show you this command. What do we do is we will go back to this VI file 1, okay, and I want to go to last line. Okay, so this we'll use this J. Oh, we are in insert mode actually, so I don't want these things, so delete 3x and J come down. So I will make focus to Saturday now. So, okay, one more thing is I want to come to Saturday directly. We can use one more command mode like \. Saturday. So focus is on Saturday now. Now what do we do is let's go into the command mode, and I am interested in deleting 2 lines, 2dd. 2 lines are deleted. After deleting these 2 lines, I want to do save and exit. Okay. Escape shift ZZ. Okay. So now when I go back again, file 1, see that we don't see any Saturday or Monday there. Okay. So it is used for deleting save and exit. So let me correct this uppercase Z and it is not an execution mode command. It is only a command mode command. Okay. It is not an execution mode command. Okay, we have seen one more command with / and you type any text. Okay, now it will gain focus to the text. It means focus is given to first occurrence of text. In your file you might be having multiple Saturdays, right? But when I give / Saturday, then it goes to the first Saturday. Right. Now here in our example, you see, let's see what word is repeating more. A friend in is in, okay, is repeating multiple times. So what do we do is, I would like to know where is. Go to command mode / is. Okay, so it will show you the first occurrence. Okay, now if I want to see another occurrence, again I have to type this command is. So it gives me next occurrence of. Actually, is not a word. It is doing. If is is a part of the word, also it is showing. It is getting the focus. Similarly is. Now assume that I'm looking for is here, but I want to check where is the previous is. For checking previous is, we'll use question mark and is. So go to previous is. Question mark is goes to previous is. Okay. So / is used for searching in the forward direction. Okay. So / is used for searching, okay, or gaining focus. Gain focus in forward direction. But question mark is used to gain focus in backward direction. Or actually you should not write forward direction or backward direction. Next, gain focus for the next occurrence of the word, and previous occurrence, that would be the better word. Gain focus to next occurrence of text, and here gain focus to previous occurrence of text. We have also seen O. It creates an empty line above the current line. Okay. Now these are all the commands of command mode. Okay. We have seen only this command mode commands, except this O, which is actually executed in command mode but take you to the insert mode. Now suppose the content of the file is big and I want to scroll, like page up, page down. Okay, in order to do that page up and page down, what do you do? So let me just copy paste this file. Okay, how to copy this current line? In order to copy this current line, okay, we have one more command called. Okay, there are actually two commands for copying a line. Okay. One is y. It yanks a line. It copies a line to the buffer, and y is same as capital Y. Okay, P is used for to put this line. Okay, so YP is to copy that line. It's like copy this line and paste it. Okay, without copy paste is not doesn't mean cut paste. Okay, if you use DD, delete, okay, and put that line, that is called cut paste, but this is copy paste. Okay. So this is one of the important operations in VI editor. Most often we'll encounter this kind of operations. So let's do that now. Now I want to do with small. Let's go to command mode. YY young P. So I have put the line below it. P I have below. So I can also use capital YP. Oh sorry, escape. Capital YP. Escape. Shift Y P. So no need of typing Y 2 times if I have typed uppercase Y. So it is also possible to copy multiple lines. Okay. So here in command mode I have to just give for example, see how many lines are there. This line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines I want to copy and paste. Okay. So 6 YY P, 6 line. Yeah. So again I can write 10 YY. See here it has given 10 lines young. Okay. P is for putting those 10 lines. Okay. So now the content of this file has become large enough to demonstrate. I'll do one more thing. I'll just copy again 20 lines and put them. Okay. Again copy 30 lines, again put them. So my intention is to show you a big file. It's a big file now. Okay. If I want to know how many number of lines are there in my file, then we'll use one of the execution mode command called set NU. Okay. Now this is an execution mode command. All the commands which are preceded with colon, set NU, and hit enter, then it gives total. It gives line number to every line. Set NU. It has given all line numbers. So we can see how many lines are there. 76 lines are there. Okay. So one way is you can go line by line up, or you can move down by jumping, as yesterday in the previous session we have seen, or you can use scrolling buttons like Control U for page up and Control D for page down. Okay. Control in command mode. These are again command mode commands. Control D, D, D. See, it's doing half of the page down. Half of the page down. Then Control U, up, page up. Okay. So we have Control D for half page down and Control U for half of the page up. Now there is one more execution command. Okay, like for us it's very confusing that if I want to know that whether in which command it is working, whether I am in insert mode or not, I want that last line to show that in which mode I am, then I can use this command called set show mode and hit enter. So now I am in which mode? I am in command mode. So I will go to this execution mode, shift, escape, shift, colon, then I will write set show mode. Okay. So I will go to insert mode by pressing I. Yeah, see here it has shown that I am in insert mode. Now go back to command mode. It is not showing. Now it's very easy for us to differentiate between these three modes. If in the last line you don't see anything, it means you are in command mode. Okay, if you see colon in the last line, it means that you are in execution mode. Okay, you are in execution mode. And if I type I, it means if it shows last line shows insert, it means you are in insert mode. Okay, so this will help you in identifying in whether you are in insert mode or not, because in insert mode commands doesn't works, that will directly write the commands onto the screen. So this is a good command, that show mode. What's set show mode is a command which is used to show whether in which mode you are working. Now similarly, as I have told you that DW, D is used for deleting, it can also be used for deleting a word as well, right? So I will go to command mode. Okay, DW is for deleting a word. If I want to delete two words, to DW, it deletes two words. Okay, now DD, I am deleting an empty line now. Now similarly, you can delete previous word as well. For example, see, I want to go 4 lines down. So 4 down means J, 4J. Okay, 4 lines down. Now here, let's move here. Now I'm at begins, millions of journey begins with. Now I want to delete previous 2 words. Okay, for going back to the previous word, we know that we have B. B is for going to the previous word, and W is for moving in forward direction. From previous class we learned this. Now what do I do is, I want to delete 2 previous words. Okay, 2 DB. So 2 previous words have been deleted. I am just undoing this operation. Now look again. I am at V. I want to delete suppose 3 words, 3 previous words. That is, of journey begin should not be there. After deleting this, I should get millions with. Okay, so I have to go to command mode. Okay, 3 dB, 3 dB. So it has removed it. Okay, so let's undo this. Now similarly, we can delete previous character also. We can delete previous character, because to go back to the previous character, we have H. So escape. See, H is used for moving to the previous character. L is used for moving to the next character. If I want to remove previous character, then I can use escape to H, or escape DH, DH, DH. You see, previous characters are getting deleted. Right? So I will do undo, undo, undo. Okay, undo can do only last undo operation. I just missed that. So I will go to insert mode. So millions of R. Okay, NEY. I want to delete the current. Okay, next empty character. Next character is empty. How can I delete it? Escape DL. Insert R. X is used for delete. Okay. Now this work, what did we do? I want to save it. Okay. How can we save it? For saving, we have one command called W. It's write. Write means whatever the work you did, which is there in temporary buffer, that will be written onto the disk permanently. This is called save. Okay. And after saving it, you can quit from the editor. So I would like to save this work. Save. See, file saved. And now again quit. So we have quitted. So we have seen today many commands, most of the commands from command mode and few of the commands of execution mode. Still we have many more commands which we will see in the next session. So I will just summarize what we have covered. We have seen different commands. Just I'll write all those commands here. We have seen that if I want to do undo the last operation or the last action, we will use U. in command mode. And if I want to delete a character, then I can use X. If I want to delete multiple characters, okay, I can write 3X, means it deletes 3 characters. DD is used for deleting an entire line, and I can also write a number we preceded with DD. It means it deletes 4 lines. Okay, and this uppercase ZZ is used for save and exit from command mode. Okay, and slash text, forward slash is actually used to gain focus to the next occurrence of the text, and the question mark is used to gain focus to the previous occurrence of the text. So you can also use this for searching next occurrences or previous occurrences. And O will take you to the insert mode, but it creates an empty line above the current line. And if you want to copy, okay, in fact, as far as the D is concerned, I would like to discuss more on this delete. Okay, there are different flavors of delete. This X is also deleting a character, DD is also deleting a character, but there are different versions of D. If you use DW, it will delete the word. If you write DH, it will delete the previous character. Okay, DL next character. Okay, and DE previous not DE, DB it deletes previous word, because B is used for moving to the word previous word. B is means moving to the previous word. Move to previous word. And W means move to next word. And focus will be at the beginning of the, focus is at beginning of word. Is also same. Okay, but when you just append DB, it means it deletes the previous word. DW, it will delete the next word. Okay. And we have also seen, if I want to copy a line, then we can use YY or uppercase Y, and to put that line to the next line, we can use put P. Okay, or we can either use YP for copy and paste to the next line. And we have also seen, if I want to if I want to scroll, if I want to see a big file, a half of the page every time, then we can use Control D and Control U also. Okay. And we have seen few of the commands of execution mode, that if I want to see, if I want to give a line number to every line of my file, then we'll use set NU. Most of the times we are confused that whether we are in insert mode or not. Okay, so that can be resolved by using this command set show mode. Whenever you are in insert mode, it shows you that you are in insert mode. Okay, and if you want to save your work, we can use W for save your work, and Q for quitting. Come out of this via editor. So in fact, it is WQ. You can also give this command, two commands together in an execution mode. It will first write and quit from the editor. It means that this command is doing the work same which is done by ZZ of your command mode, okay, which is also saving your work and exiting. So this is the summary what we have covered. In the next class, we'll see a few more commands, and then we'll start another topics.